Welcome to WHIZ GEEKS Diaries. And today's lesson are converting a logarithmic equation to exponential form and vice versa.
OMG, our exam in GenMath is coming and I still haven't reviewed it.
That's true. Especially in converting logarithmic form to exponential form and vice versa. I can't wrap my mind around those topics.
That's my struggle too. Now that the exams are coming, we need to find a way to understand those topics.
But how?
I will tell you a secret.
What is it?
I have a magic notebook.
Magic notebook?
Yes, this magic notebook helps me easily understand topics I find difficult. It explains to me well so I could easily understand them more. You just have to open it and close your eyes.
Hi students, we are the WHIZ GEEKS and we are here to make your life easier by helping you understand topics you are struggling with.
We sense that you're currently struggling in your subject GenMath in converting logarithmic equations to exponential equations and vice versa.
Worry no more, cause the WHIZ GEEKS are here to help.
Hello math enthusiasts, welcome to WHIZ GEEKS. In today's session, we'll be dividing into the conversion of logarithmic equation to exponential form, a skill that's crucial for tackling various mathematical problems. So, grab your pens and notebooks and let's get started. Before we jump into the conversion process, let's quickly review what logarithmic equations are. A logarithmic equation is of the form logarithmic b, open and close parenthesis n equals to x, where b is the base, n is the argument, and x is the exponent. But what actually are the steps in writing logarithmic equation in its exponential form? Our first step is to identify the base of the logarithmic expression. Look at the logarithmic equation and find the b in logarithmic b, open and close parenthesis n equals to x. This b is our base. For example, in logarithmic 2, open and close parenthesis 8 equals to 3. The base is 2. Understanding the logarithmic expression is crucial. Remember, logarithmic b, open and close parenthesis n equals to x, means that b raised to the power of x is equals to n. So, in our example, logarithmic 2, open and close parenthesis 8 equals to 3, it tells that 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. Now, let's move on to the conversion itself. To write the logarithmic equation in exponential form, we express it as b raised to y is equals to x. Using our example, logarithmic 2, open and close parenthesis 8 is equals to 3, becomes 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. We can also follow this guide to avoid confusion and to solve problems easier.
It's your turn now. Try converting the logarithmic equation log base 7 of 49 equals 2 into exponential form. Pause the video, give it a shot, and we'll go over the solution together. Let's try getting the answer using the method that we have just learned. So the first step is to identify the base. In this situation, our base is 7. The next one is to understand the exponential equation. And finally, write the equation in its exponential form. The answer that we got is 7 raised to 2 equals 49. Did you get it right? Try solving the other examples on your own this time. You can do this.
Try this second example. You can do this. Remember the first step. Identify the base. Next, understand the exponential equation to find the exponent. And last, write the argument after the equal sign to complete the exponential form. If your answer is 4 raised to x equals to 64, then you are right. Excellent. Now try again with this one.
You just have to remember the steps. Identify the base, understand the exponential equation, and complete the exponential form. You can easily convert this in an instant. If your answer is 6 raised to y equals 1 over 7,776, then you're acing these examples.
Now we are down to our last example. Just use all the steps we taught you and you can get this right too. If your answer is 8 raised to x equals 1 over 4,096, then you are now ready for our next topic, which is writing exponential form to logarithmic equations.
Before we delve into the conversion process, let's quickly review what exponential equations are. An exponential equation is the form b raised to x equals n, where b is the base, x is the exponent, and n is the result of the exponentation. Our first step is to identify the base of the exponential expression. Look at the equation b raised to x equals n and find b. This b is our base. For example, in 2 raised to 3 equals 8, the base is 2. Understanding the exponential expression is crucial. Remember, b raised to x equals n means that b raised to the power of x equals n. So in our example, 2 raised to 3 equals 8, it tells us that 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 8. b will always be the number that has a visible exponent. X is the exponent of the base, and n is equal value of the base with an exponent. Now let's move on to the conversion itself. To write the exponential equation in logarithmic form, we express it as logarithm of n with the base of b equals x. Using our example, 2 raised to 3 equals 8, it becomes logarithm of 8 with the base of 2 equals 3.
Here's another example. Remember the given logarithmic form, logarithm of n with the base of b equals x. First, find the number with an exponent to know the value of b and x. Then, the number without exponent will be the value of n. Now, convert. If your answer is logarithm of 125 with the base of 5 equals 3, then your answer is right. Now, let's try another one.
Now, just do everything we did in the first example. Find the number with an exponent for b and x. The number without exponent will be n, then convert. If your answer is log 1 over 100 equals x, then you've got it right again.
Let's try another one. Remember, b is the base of an exponent, x is the exponent, and n is the number without exponent. Our answer is logarithm of 16,807 with the base of 7 equals 5. Get it right? Now, try our fourth and fifth example without our help.
To ace this, just remember the given logarithmic form and the steps we taught you in finding the values of it. Now, let's check it. If your answers in example 4 is logarithm 59,049 with the base of 9 equals x, then excellent, you're clearly learning from this lesson.
Now, the final answer of example number 5 is logarithm of 1 over 9 with the base of 3 equals x. If you got it right, you are now ready to ace your exams.
Now that we're done discussing with you all the conversion of exponential form to log form and vice versa, We hope that you now understand the basic steps in converting those forms.
Go!
We hope that you can now ace your exams with the knowledge we have shared with you.
As WHIZ Geeks are always happy to help you students achieve your dreams. Bye!
Bye!
Wow! That definitely cleared all my questions regarding this topic.
It refreshed my brain and I understand the topic more.
Thank you for the huge help, Mitch. I will further review this at
Don't thank me. Thank the WHIZ Geeks.
Thank you, WHIZ Geeks!